Hello traders, and welcome back to Trading with Bill. September 10th, 2014. Traders, this is helping losing traders become winning traders, hopefully on a daily basis. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, just before 5 p.m. And it has been a beautiful, beautiful day. Had some movement in the live trading room today. Now we're going to take a look at some charts of what we looked at and some educational stuff. However, let me introduce myself to you real quick. My name is William Gilliam. I am, well, they call me Bill. And you can always see me at tradingwithbill.com. And in my live trading room, we use the diversified trading system for our Forex trading, and it's absolutely awesome. And by the way, the noise in the background was alerts given by the DTS system telling me that there was a setup. So I would normally take a look at my alerts panel and see what was setting up, but that is the nice part about the diversified trading system. Let me bring over a slide where you can take a look. This is the diversified trading system. We have three birds, and the nice thing about the diversified trading system is the three birds are three separate trading systems. They're not all one system. So if you decide to come along with us and obtain the DTS system, you're basically paying one price for three systems. Traders, on the bottom of this page, you can see where we have an URL link. If you'd go to that link, go to the home page, check it out. It's a great home page. There's a lot of information, a lot of great stuff, and I welcome you to go there and check out the DTS system and many other things. If you use the Ninja Trader platform, and if you don't use the Ninja Trader platform, well, after seeing that homepage of the indicator warehouse, you might change your mind. Anyhow, this next slide is the URL is the same every day, trader. So if you just copy that, you just need to go to that one time. Our live trading room is Tuesday through Friday, and we open 15 minutes before the London Open. And we do about 2.5 hours to 3 hours in the live trading room for the London Open. And we have a great time. We have a nice small group, hope to make a big group, but we have a nice group of traders in there, and we're having a lot of fun. All right, traders, wanted to show you some charts of some of the different birds and some of the action we saw today on how nicely they worked. First one I want to show you is the eagle. This is the eagle, and this is a 12-tick chart. We use mean Renko bars. These are not candlesticks, but I just want to show you how you can see how the Renko bars come down. They come back into the cloud, and then you get a signal to go short, and you can see a little arrow to the downside. You would have been in the trade already. Take that down. Then you see a green dot. Well, that green dot means you're probably going to get a signal to go long, so I would have gotten out of the trade at that point. But what happens? Comes back into the cloud, gives you another signal. You got a dot, a triangle, a double hash mark, and you would have been back into the trade to the downside. Would have never even came close to your stop loss and came all the way back down again. Again, this is the eagle from the diversified trading system. Traders, moving along, this is our hawk. This is a scalping system. And I'm going to show you a couple of slides here. To tell you the truth, I don't remember which pair this was. But just wanted to show you how the hawk got us in and how it gave us some signals. And at the bottom of the chart, you can see we had 3 arrows to the downside to take the short. And it was all the way down to 91.48. And traders, it continued down. But it was a really nice trade, and it worked out very well. The bad part was it was quite early in the day for me, so I missed this trade absolutely. All right, let's go back to the hawk, which is our scalping, and it's only a 6-tick Renko bar chart, which means that every 6 ticks the bar is going to change. And what I'm showing here is how exactly the system works. First thing you can do is you can get a dot. After you get a dot, you're going to get a triangle. And after the triangle on the top, on that arrow on the top, you can see how you can get 2 dashed lines. That is your indicator to go long. The important thing is look at the line, the little arrows, right? We call that our macro line. And then we have a thin green line, we call that our micro line. Well, we want price to go with the trend, which is up. We want it to come back into I call it the tunnel, okay? And give us a signal, and we're going to take that long again. All right, so now, what happens if we start to get red signals? And that's what those two last arrows on the chart are demonstrating. Say price decides it wants to come back down. Well, that's fine. Let it come back down into the tunnel. Give us our dot, our triangle, our two hash marks, and we'll just relong it, staying with the trend. And DTS on the bottom of the chart, you can see that is our momentum indicator. And you can see we have green, and as long as all the colors match up, everything matches up, we have our signal to take our trade. Traders, I've been getting a lot of questions about using what we've used with candlestick charts for years and years and years. Well, this was actually a trade setup that we did today in the live trading room, and we wanted this trade to work for quite some time. So I actually put a trend line in there because I wanted to basically come back, retest that trend line, and take that break. Well, we actually, on the, this is a falcon, and the falcon line, the line that turns red and green, you can see that turned red, and we got our signal. We actually even got our double hash marks. But what happened? Well, traders, let me show you what happened. This continued, and everything stayed the same. I entered this position. I was live in the market. I entered. You can see it says pending. I trade live in the trading room, traders. I don't trade on a demo account. I trade live. This came in. You know what happened here? This never broke this 23 area. This 29.22, 29.23 never broke it. Therefore, I never entered the trade. And I believe if you wait for an entry too long, get out of the trade. And traders, thank goodness we did, because if you go and take a look at a euro dollar chart in the London market, you will see that this ended up going sideways. It went back all the way back up to the trend line, went sideways some more. And the last I looked, it still has not cleared the 29.22 area, and it's still above that. And this shows you how the DTS system will keep you out of trouble. And of course, using a little bit of knowledge, looking left of the chart, seeing that was support, and that I would never enter on those two hash marks because I've got support left of the chart. So where did I put my order? Below that. Prove to me you're going to break that, and the bears are strong enough to take that down. It never happened. Traders, unfortunately, we did not get the trade. All right. Traders, here we are again on the Falcon, and this is on the Pound Aussie. What a great pair to trade. Traders, this pair trades 132 pips a day. This is unbelievable. And traders, there's a great website to go to. It's forexticket.com, and it has 40 currency pairs. And just where it has, go to currency volatility, and change that box to 10 to 4, and that'll give you a 4-week average of what that pair moves daily. So I get questions now all the time, well, what about using fibs and support and resistance lines and channels and trend lines? I still use all that stuff. I'm a fib man. I use fibs on everything. I fib everything. So I did a fib on this. I didn't take this trade. Traders, I'm going to tell you something. I kicked myself. There was about 8 of us in the trading room, and I absolutely kicked myself. So we put this fib on here. We saw it came below to the 50%, and we're saying, okay, now we just got to watch this, because still everything was lined up. We never got a green dot, never got anything that said we shouldn't be in this trade. Well, traders, let me tell you what happened. This trade ended up coming down to 1.7605 and below. This trade dumped. Yeah, I kicked myself not being in this trade. You know, it was just, you should go with, what you believe. When I saw the next red wrinkle bar, I should have been in this trade, and I didn't do it. And I missed out on a lot of pips. And in the live trading when we did it, and Actually, we laughed about it a little bit because you can't get upset about that stuff. There's always another trade around the corner. And with the diversified trading system, it'll help us out. Traders, on behalf of Indicator Warehouse and myself, William Gilday, I'd like to thank you, my friends, for joining me. On the bottom of the page is the URL to go to Indicator Warehouse's homepage. Please take that URL, go to the homepage, check it out. Check out everything they have to offer. Even if you don't have the DTS system, they have many indicators and education and videos. We have 2 free trading rooms. We have a futures room. We have a forex. They're both free trading rooms. So come and join us. We'd love to be with you. We'd love to have you with us and part of the DTS family. Again, traders, my name is William Gilday, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. And that'll be tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.